I'm Brandon Blaine, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a giant paper airplane. For materials we need today, we will need a couple things. We will need scissors, we will need a measuring device, some tape, and some paper for our giant model airplane. Alright, for step one, we're going to take our giant piece of paper and we're going to fold it across, hot dog style. Want to make sure we even everything up. Little rib never hurt anybody. Alright, like a true engineer, to fix our mistakes, little tape, fix it good as new. Alright, for step two, we're going to start making our wings. We're going to do two triangular folds right at the front. Make sure those come right to the crease line. Alright, cameraman lean in. Let's get a good view. Alright, come in. Paper's fighting me. It doesn't matter. We're engineers. Alright. Another fold right across. Want to make sure that's lined up right across the midline as well. Alright, then two. Alright, for our next step, we're going to make another fold right across the inseam in the middle. Right now we're just building up the layers, so this large piece of paper has more weight to it as we make our giant airplane fly. Alright, one wing down. Whew. Now the paper will start to fight you at this point, but I'll just let it know who's boss, which I'm struggling with. Alrighty. Next step. Alright, continuing on. Now that we've built our wings, we're going to fold it across. This is where you start to see the plane shape coming apart. Go ahead and give a little press across, flatten it out. Alright, for our next step, we're just going to apply one of our last stages. We're going to add tape to secure the wings to the midsection of our plane. This is to make it more stable in flight. Just add 2 or 3 across the middle of the plane. Alrighty, and here's our plane. Alright, and finally, we are going to let our big airplane show us what it's made of. In 3, 2, 1. If you enjoyed our lesson on how to build paper airplanes, tune in next time for another tutorial video. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day.